Hello everyone, so today I will be reviewing an essential oil. It is from the brand Casaluna. It is the organic eucalyptus oil. It is said to have a clarifying aroma for grounding mind and spirit. Now, anybody who is into aromatherapy or knows a little bit about aromas knows that eucalyptus oil is one of the very grounding, very basic oils that is part of any organic aromatherapy. And this oil, especially from this particular brand, has no other additives. It is just pure essential organic eucalyptus oil. Now the oil is very fragrant. Specifically, this one is very potent. This bottle you see right here is about 10 ml. I got it from Target, but you can pretty much get it from most of the stores or online. It comes with a twist bottle, locks securely, and you can just use the dropper that is already inbuilt. I hate the bottles which have those droppers where you pull them out, because there's a possibility of accidentally spilling it. But I like this way. It's easy to store and easy to carry as well. The oil here is very potent, very fragrant. I think a couple of drops are essentially good to get the quality scent out. You can use it in bare basic way as a diffuser, or you can use it, mix it with a carrier oil, or you can use it as a couple of drops in your bathing oil. One caution note here is, do not use any essential oil, or even this oil for that matter, on the skin, hair or eyes directly. They are not meant to be used as is, right? So these are pretty concentrated versions, so or definitely diluted before using. Now, eucalyptus oil is a very common decongestant. It is used mostly in nasal aspirators, as well as if you inhale it through your nose, it will give you some much needed cold symptom relief, and it will also help decongest your nasal passages. So I think this is a great option, or a great blend you can use in versus your inhaler. Usually I mix 5 to 15 drops of eucalyptus oil with the 1 tablespoon of carrier oil. It could be coconut oil, natural lotion, olive oil, any natural oil you use, and then you can just apply it on your chest and back. But make sure you really dilute it before using it. You can also use it a couple of drops in your bathing water, and that would just help decongest you a lot. If you don't want to go through that effort, I usually just put a couple of drops on my pillow if I have any sort of decongestion, and that helps clean my nasal passages. Overall, I think this is a great oil, has multiple usages. And it could be used as a base oil on its own, or a combination of this. Usually if I am bored of smelling this, I mix it with a little bit of lemon balm oil or lemon balm and peppermint oil in my diffuser, and it still creates a complex smell. It's very earthy, very complex, but still very refreshing. And yes, it comes with a good side effect of decongesting your nasal passages, I think, which is great, especially with the flu season and the cold going on. I think it would really help use this oil in your day-to-day basis. So overall, this is a great oil, and give it a shot. If you like this review, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And if you'd like to see more such reviews, leave comments in the comment box, and I'll be happy to review it for you. Thank you.